Okay, hello, hi. So this is the 22nd of May 2021, and we're taking a video of the Sunspot AR2824. Okay, and I'm going to show you the setup. So this is the Sunspot AR2824 EQ. This is the solar filter. This is a radar, also solar film with a white. Like the disk of the sun will look white. Okay, and this is here. Now the sun, as you can see, is a little bit. Yeah, so you can see it. Yes, behind the clouds, but it's gonna that cloud move. The wind is quick, as you can see. See, the wind is quick. So yeah, let's see what the sun looks like. Yeah, underneath. Okay, let's see what's happening inside the telescope. So yes, here I aim the telescope. So this is the sun. Okay. And that should be clearer now. Yeah. So that's it. So as you can see, there's a sunspot at the bottom. Okay, well, see that little dot that's getting out. That's the scratch from the lens. Okay, because I prefer always to talk about that scratch because it can help people who take pictures of the sunspot to differentiate between the scratch and the lens scratch and the sunspot. So the little dot that you see in the sun, disk of the sun, is the sunspot. Okay, let me try my best to focus it. Yeah, this is better. So now we're going to focus to make it bigger. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm going to get the red filter. Okay, we're going to install it too. Okay, so you can see how both look like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so that was the sunspot. Okay, and let me give you a better zoom. Let me do one other thing. As you can see, when we move, that's the reflection of the telephone lens. Okay, of the eyepiece. So yeah, so here's the solutions just by covering over the phone. So yeah, now this is a bigger zoom. I have got the red filter from 1000 Oaks. Okay, I'm going to show you the that other filter too, but let me now wait until the the sunspot gets out of the view. Now we're going to zoom out. Okay, now what I should do first is I should remove the phone, and let me show you why I should do that, because now this telescope is towards the sun now, because I don't want to hurt the lens. Okay, let's see if I just show you something here. If I can show you, I don't know. Anyway, just to get the idea, I don't want to hurt the lens because of the focusing of the sun. Because if I just remove it, okay, removing the filter. Let's put it down. Let's put the filter down here because of the wind. If I can just give you an idea. Here's my hand. So you see the sun is focused. Okay, so don't want to hurt my camera lens. So that's why this is an idea. Okay, so don't want to hurt my camera lens. So what I do is just simply lower the telescope. I turn this phone back because I want to open that box. Okay, it contains the red filter. Okay. And we're going to install it. And this here, this handkerchief was the cover that I used over the telephone like this. Okay, see, this is the focuser of the telescope in front of the camera. So yeah, this is the red filter, the solar filter. You can see the difference. Here it's silver, here it's black. Okay, so we're installing it. Okay, here's an idea of the installation. Okay, now I have to raise the telescope towards the sun. We have to look here, see this white dot. I want to see the white dot. This is the projection of the sun of the solar viewfinder. What they call it? Solar scope. Okay, so as long as it gets in the center of the sun, here it gets in the center. So now everything is fine. Okay, and as I said, this has to be installed. So now I will have to see. Yeah, so now I can see me moving the dial in order to see the disk of the sun inside the view. Now it's inside the view. Now let's see. You can see the disk of the sun. Now here it is, and you can see as I told you, put back the hard handkerchief in order to cover this reflection of the sun. Okay, and then here and you have to also make the sun focused in a way, focusing of the sun is focused in a way so you can see the edges of the disk of the sun has to be like perfectly cut from the black surrounding. Okay, you can see it's very thin, very cut with a razor, you want to say, okay, sharp razor. So as much as you can. My telescope has a problem with its focuser, but it's working anyway. So yeah, so I want is just put the solar sunspot, okay, the sunspot, okay, inside the middle, and we can see it again, this 1000 ox red colored filter. Okay, now there is another one for green, but that works only on refractors, not on refractors. Okay, okay, so this is it. Okay, let's put it back a little bit, the center, until it leaves the view. Okay, so you can see it better. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's sleeping. So yeah, that's it. Don't want to make the video longer. As I told you, the dot that's very on the top of the sunspot, okay, that's a scratch in the lens, and that's it. Okay, and yeah, so again, we want to remove the solar filter. So as I said to you, first of all, you just put the telescope away from the sun. As you see, there's the sun. Okay, there's the sun there, and there's the telescope with the filter. Then you remove the filter. Don't make that mistake. I did it twice, and I lost two phones this way. Okay, two phones, expensive phones too. Okay, and that's it. Okay. So thanks for watching, and enjoy. I hope this was a beneficial, something of your benefit, to your benefit, something that you had an advantage from. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.